Hey YouTube, this is going to be a quick tutorial on the 360. If you want Wi-Fi, when the Wi-Fi adapter breaks, and prove it works. First you need a laptop. Of course it has to be on. Then I'm going to minimize this, and then you go to your network sign. I do this. Double tap, then open network, sharing center. Start using iPhone and phone. Then click on it, and do the change adapter settings. And you see Wi-Fi, and that's my Ethernet. There's convenience different. These are for something else. Then you double tap again, go to properties, and then go to sharing. Just go to that sharing tab right there, and click both of these boxes. Then go find your Ethernet. One has, yeah. Then you go to OK. Okay, then it should say shared. You unplug it. plug it into your console. And then that's pretty much it. And as you can see, it works. And if you want to see how fast you're getting to it, you go to Control, Shift, Escape. Control, Shift, Escape. And Task Manager opens up. Go to more options on it, or whatever it's called. When you turn yours on, it should look like this. And then you go to more details, performance, then go to Ethernet right here, and then that's how much megabytes is going to whatever you're using. I'm using this, and sometimes like it helps me faster connection. My YouTube, subscribe, follow.